body and take away. When you subtract, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction. Moving, have fun. Kids, you know which topic we are going to do today? We are going to do subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. You know the sign of subtraction. See, this is the sign of subtraction. Or we can say, this is the sign of minus. Let's begin with examples. See students, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets of biscuit. I want to give 2 packets to my friend. 1, 2. Now see how many packets are left with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now see another example. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sketch pens and I want to give 3 sketch pens to my sister. 1, 2, 3. Now see how many sketch pens are left with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Kids, we have done subtraction with objects. Now we will do subtraction with numbers. Let's start. Kids, see, we have to subtract 1 from 5. Or we can say 5 minus 1 equals what? First, we will raise our finger of this number. First number is 5. So we will raise our 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see, we have to subtract 1. So we will put our finger down. How many finger? 1. 1 finger down. So see how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now next is 7 minus 4 equals what? Students, first we will raise 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have to put down 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now see students, next is 4 minus 2. First we will raise 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to subtract number 2. So we will put down 2 fingers. 1, 2. See how many fingers are left? 1, 2. So we can say 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now we will do subtraction in Maths Fair notebook. Let's begin. First we will write down date here and today's day here. Leave one line and write down topic subtraction sums. Again leave one line and write down 7 minus 3 is equal to. First, we will raise 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers are there? 7. Now we have to subtract 3. So we will put down 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now see how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Next, write down 8 minus 2 is equal to. Students, first we will raise our 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers are there? 8. And we have to subtract 2. So we will put our fingers down 2. We will put 2 fingers down. 1, 2. See how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. Next is 5 minus 0 is equal to. We will raise 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to subtract 0. 0 means nothing. Students, we have not put any finger down. So how many fingers are left? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means when we subtract 0 from any number, answer comes the number itself, that is number 5. Next is 9 minus 4 is equal to. We will raise our 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, how many fingers are there? 9. And we have to subtract 4. So we will put our 4 fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Next is 3 minus 3. We will raise 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And we have to minus 3. So we will put down 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? Nothing. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Students, now you have to do the same work in the same way in your Maths Fair notebook with beautiful handwriting, and keep practicing the sums of subtraction in your practice notebook. Thank you. Bye-bye.